So, what are the top 5 ways to make money on YouTube? Now, I'm going to give you 5 ways to make money on YouTube. These 5 different ways are in no way in order of best to last. These are just, in my opinion, the top 5 ways to make money on YouTube that you can do right now. So, if it's your goal to make an income, to create a full-time income for you, your family, and your friends, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, comment down below and just type in YouTube if one day you are going to be YouTube famous. So before I jump into these top 5 ways to make money on YouTube, I first just want to address something. A lot of people believe and think, and it's a complete myth, that you have to have 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, 1,000,000 subscribers here on YouTube to make any substantial income. And that's 100% false. That is a complete myth. Here's the reason why. Even with 1 subscriber on your channel, if you were selling a coaching course or a big program and that one person bought it for $5,000, that means you make $5,000 from 1 subscriber. That's pretty good. Now, is that normal? No, it's not. Is that typical? I highly doubt it. But is it possible? Yes, it is. So with that said, let's start off. Let's talk about the top 5 ways to make money on YouTube. Way number 1. And probably one that you're very familiar with, is YouTube ad revenue. Now, YouTube ad revenue, in my opinion, is a great little kicker, a great little addition, but it's not by any means the most amount of money that I'm getting paid through YouTube. It's actually one of the smaller income sources. So, with that said, if you don't know how to get monetized on YouTube, you're not sure how long it takes, I actually created a YouTube video. You can check it out right there. Go and watch it, and it just addresses how long it took me when I first started to get my first check from YouTube, and also how long it would take you based on my actual experience, my results, to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which are needed if you want to be part of the YouTube program and get YouTube ad revenue. The second way to make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great business model, great opportunity, and it's very simple to get into. All you have to do is go and get or request approval to join different affiliate networks and to promote their different products, services, courses, programs that they offer. Now, here's a little tip for you guys. When it comes to affiliate marketing, do not look at just one simple product that is going to sell one time and give you a commission just once. What I recommend you do is find a very good quality product that requires a monthly subscription, which means you as the affiliate get paid monthly, a recurring commission every single month, as long as the person that bought it stays a member. The reason why I absolutely love a recurring commission is because you do the same amount of work to get that one sale. Whether that person stays on and is a recurring payer, recurring buyer of that program, that software, that whatever it is they're using, if they are, you made that sale one time, but you get paid every single month that they're a paying member. Now, if you were to sell a specific product one time, doesn't matter how many times they use that product, let's say a curling iron, a toothbrush, they use that product every single day, but you only got paid once. So think about it. Affiliate marketing is a great business opportunity, but you got to figure out what's the right product to promote so you can make the most money possible. The third way to make money on YouTube is through online coaching. And this was one of the very first things that I started to do outside of affiliate marketing. And online coaching is a great business opportunity. Let me explain this a little bit more. When I first started here on YouTube, especially with this channel, one of the things I was talking about was selling stuff through Amazon FBA. Now, with that came a lot of people asking questions, wanted to know how they could start, and I didn't have courses or programs or guides at that time. So what I did was I told people, if you have any questions whatsoever, send me an email to my email address and we can talk about it there. I will help anybody out for free. Now, a bunch of people would send me emails asking me just basic questions, and I would help them out for free. But when it came to more in-depth questions, more of an online coach, a mentor in that business, what happened was I started charging people $40 an hour for a coaching call. After that, I started charging people $50, $75. maybe even $100 for a single hour of coaching. It eventually went all the way up to $250, and then I kind of stopped from there. But online coaching is a great business. And here's the reason why. It takes one subscriber. It takes one not even a subscriber. It takes one person to see your video and think, okay, that person can help me out. Let me contact them through their email. So they send you an email. You respond back, you hit them back with more value, just value-packed email after email after email. And what happens is they get so much value, they think, okay, this is free value. What would this guy give me? How much better would my life, my business be if I paid to have a coaching call done with him? And so now I'm charging $50 an hour, and I'm giving them the same amount of value, but now they're paying for it. Because they saw how much free value was. Now, how much better is paid value, right? So $50 an hour. You're going to get even more information. I'm going to just give all the information out to you because now you're a paying client, you're a paying customer. So that's one of the reasons why I absolutely love online coaching as a business model. Now, if you are still struggling to make a little bit of money, go check out this video, 5 keys to earn more money on YouTube. It's going to help you out. This simple video right here. Go check it out. Like I said, click that card up in the corner, and you can go and watch it. Now, one piece of advice when it comes to online coaching that I have for you guys is make sure you're giving all the information as quick as possible. Here's the reason why. If somebody thinks you're leading them on, they ask you 10 questions and you answer 2 of them, what happens is you're kind of leading them on. And then you'll answer those 2. They'll send you those other 8 questions back. You'll answer another 2. They'll send it back. And the problem with that is they could be looking at you as a mentor, but the problem is if you give them just a little bit of information every single time, they think you don't have time for them. So what happens is they move on to the next guru or expert and ask them the exact same questions. When they give them all the responses they're looking for, that person might get their money because they are looking at them as their coach. Have you ever wondered how certain YouTubers and those experts in their fields are making boatloads of money? $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 or more in one single month? It's actually through my number 4 way of making money on YouTube, online courses. Here's what I love about online courses and why I recommend it to any YouTuber. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you can start shooting videos, putting them on YouTube, and then create a very simple course. It doesn't have to be a $1,000 course. This course could be a $7 course, but with a $99 value. So the cool part about a course is you create it one time. You can sell it, I don't have that many fingers, an infinite amount of times. And the reason why is because there's an infinite amount of people that could potentially watch your video and buy your course. So let's just say you have a decent following on YouTube. You have 200 people that watch your videos every single day. 200 views is not bad. All you need, okay? If 1% of those 200 people buy that course, that means 2 people every single day buy your course. If you're selling your course for $49.99, you're going to make almost $100 every single day by 2 people buying your course. And I know what you're thinking. I have no idea how to create a course. And that's fine. Neither did I. But what I knew how to do was package information, put it together, and stick it into a YouTube video. So that's exactly what I did for one of my very first courses, is I packaged up all this information, put it in a video, but I didn't put it on YouTube as a public video. What I did is I stuck it on YouTube as unlisted, and then when somebody purchased through PayPal, I sent them the link and they got the video. That's what I knew was a hour-long video on YouTube. Okay, so that's a great way to actually package up information. Just sell it as an additional video, a private video. It may not be a $100 value video, but this thing could be a $30 value video, and I'm going to sell it to you for $5. Okay, $5. How many people, if you've never made $5 in a single day from a YouTube video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Okay, here's the reason why. And this is what most people do not do. Most people do not make a few dollars a day from YouTube. Most people make a few cents, if that, from their YouTube ad revenue. And that's all they care about is YouTube ad revenue. Now here's the problem. YouTube ad revenue is not going to pay your bills, not keep the lights on, unless you get bigger. You have 50,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, and you're getting, a bunch of views. 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 views per day. So if you're not there yet, try to think outside the box, think a little bit differently. Think YouTube ad revenue plus affiliate marketing plus online coaching plus course sales is a great opportunity. But there's something else that I want to introduce you to. Let's say you have a niche that is completely different. It's not in fitness, not in making money online. There's nothing you can actually promote. Okay? Now, there are a few out there. They're very rare, but there are some out there that it's very tough to find a product, to sell a course, do online coaching, and really get some ad revenue from it. So one of the things that these YouTubers or content creators do is they sell merchandise. So merch. The nice thing about selling merchandise is you can put anything on a shirt, on a coffee mug, on a mouse pad, and you can sell it to anybody across the world. The nice thing about merchandise is you can create it for yourself. You can hire somebody to do all the designs, do all the script on the shirts, on your different designs, and you can pay them for their work. Now, I want to give you some advice when it comes to merchandise sales. Merchandise sales, in my opinion, should be the last thing that you do. And here's the reason why. In my opinion, merchandise sales makes the least amount of money. Just last month, okay, so in November 2019, from merchandise that I sold from one of my YouTube channels, I actually made $13.88. That's not a lot. $13.88. On another one of my channels that I do merchandise sales with, and this is one of those that I don't have a lot of stuff that I'm selling, so merchandise is one of the higher income producing things that I sell, and I made $74.61. That's not a lot of money either. But what I want you to understand when it comes to merchandise sales is that it could supplement your income a little bit. So like I said, do YouTube ad revenue, do affiliate marketing, do online coaching, do course sales, and then supplement all that with merchandise sales. The one thing you're going to notice when you start doing all these different things together is that individually they might make a few $100, here, a few hundred there, 500 there, 60 there, 100 there. But when you put them all together, those little bits of money add up to $1,200, $1,500, $2,500, $5,000 or more, just by doing all those things collectively as opposed to doing just one and nothing else. Let me give you a couple tips when it comes to making money on YouTube. The number one tip that I have for you guys is to give value. If you're not giving value first and you're asking for something in return, you will not get it. Here's what I mean. If you are trying to sell a $99 course, but you will not give any more than $10 worth of value in a video, you think people are going to pay $99 for something that you created because they already see you're giving $10 in value in this video? Why would I give you $99 of my hard-earned money when I know you're not giving the type of value you should be? Well, do I think it's going to be any different when you sell me a course or a video program? Maybe not. Okay, so that's my number one tip, is to give as much value before you ask for anything in return. The second tip when it comes to earning money on YouTube is to keep creating new and engaging content and publishing it on YouTube. The reason I say this is because a lot of people believe that if they create just a few videos, publish them on YouTube, they think they will someone's going to pick up their video, it's going to go viral, it's going to be on the trending page on YouTube, and that's not necessarily the case. It hardly ever happens. I've never been on trending. Have you? So with that said, keep coming up with new ideas, different types of videos. Stick to the same niche. Really niche down and figure out who's your market, what are you trying to sell, who are you trying to help. Once you understand that, you know what kind of videos you can go and create. And trust me, once you have an idea of who you are, what your channel should and will be about, it's going to be so much easier to create engaging and helpful content. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Like always, subscribe so you don't miss any more of my content. Also, click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.